We design as we build as we design. This workshop is a combined workshop between Kean University and Wenzhou-Kean University.
How can we collaborate digitally and talk to each other across oceans?
我们可以将自己的想法在这个项目中融合，并且创造出更多有意思的东西。
But this time I'm really more immersed in the Chinese culture because I'm living here and I'm working with the students and just being immersed in the local community in Dongtou.